In today's rapidly evolving tech landscape, Python stands out as a premier programming language sought after by individuals at every stage of their coding journey. Whether you're a novice taking your first steps into programming or a seasoned professional looking to refine your skills, Python offers a vast array of opportunities. However, with numerous options available, selecting the right Python certification can feel like navigating a maze. Thus, we present this guide to help you navigate and understand the best Python certifications in 2024, regardless of your proficiency level or career aspirations. Before diving into the realm of Python certifications, it's crucial to consider several factors to ensure you make the right choice. Assess your proficiency level, explore industry recognition, evaluate costs, and seek professional recommendations. Align the certification with your experience level, scrutinize the curriculum, and weigh the associated costs. Also, factor in the expected time commitment. Here are the key considerations to keep in mind. In Python, specialization is paramount. Whether it's web development, data analysis, machine learning, or cybersecurity, choose a certification that offers specialized tracks aligned with your interests and career goals. Opt for a certification that matches your proficiency level and career objectives, ensuring maximum relevance and utility. Seek certifications from reputable organizations esteemed within the tech industry, enhancing your employability and professional standing. Scrutinize the certification curriculum to ensure alignment with your learning objectives and career aspirations. Consider certifications that promote practical, hands-on skills development. Look for opportunities to work on real-world projects and case studies to gain valuable experience. Engage with a supportive community offering valuable networking opportunities, study materials, and guidance throughout your certification journey. If you're just starting your Python journey, fear not. There are 2 excellent Python certification courses tailored specifically for beginners. PCEP is designed for individuals new to programming, covering the basics of Python, including syntax, data types, and basic programming structures. Upon completion, you'll be proficient in crafting simple Python scripts and understanding core programming principles. Building upon PCEP, PCAP delves deeper into Python programming, exploring advanced topics such as object-oriented programming, file handling, and exception handling. Ideal for beginners seeking to reinforce their Python skills and tackle real-world coding challenges with confidence. For experienced practitioners aiming to showcase their expertise in Python, consider the following certification. Customized for experienced Python developers, PCPP1 explores advanced concepts, including multi-threading, network programming, and database access. This certification validates your ability to tackle intricate Python projects with confidence and finesse. PCPP2 represents the pinnacle of Python certifications, reserved for elite developers who have mastered the language. This certification delves into advanced concepts such as metaprogramming, design patterns, and software architecture, establishing you as a distinguished Python practitioner. Before proceeding, it's essential to distinguish between Python certifications and certificates. While both hold merit, certifications carry greater weight in the eyes of employers, validating proficiency through standardized examinations. Python certifications offer numerous benefits, including enhanced credibility, career advancement opportunities, and skill validation, bolstering your standing in professional spheres. In addition to generic certifications, role-based certifications tailored to specific job functions have gained traction. These certifications provide specialized training directly aligned with roles such as data scientist, web developer, or DevOps engineer, enhancing marketability and proficiency. Certifications typically require a foundational understanding of programming concepts and familiarity with Python syntax. Advanced certifications may necessitate prior experience in Python development. It's crucial to review and meet the specific prerequisites outlined by the certification body for a smooth learning experience and increased value. So this brings us to the wrap-up. Selecting the right Python certification is a crucial step in advancing your career and expanding your skill set. By considering factors such as specialization, skill alignment, industry recognition, and practical application, you can make an informed decision that propels you towards your professional goals. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, Python certifications pave the way for success in today's tech-driven world. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the best Python certifications in 2024. We hope this guide has provided valuable insights to help you make informed decisions about your certification journey. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to High-Tech 9 for more content on the latest technologies and advancement. Stay tuned for future updates, and until next time, happy coding!